In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple pipelines in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the entire process step by step so you can customize your sales process for different products, teams, or regions inside your CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to structure your stages so your data stays clean and easy to manage. First, let's open the pipeline settings. In Zoho CRM, go to the top right corner of your screen and click the gear icon, also known as Setup. This is where you'll find all your configuration options. From the Setup menu, look for the section labeled Customization. Under Customization, select Pipelines and Stages. This is the area where you can manage all of the pipelines associated with your modules. Now choose the module you want to work with. In most cases, that will be Deals, but you can also select another module if you've customized your CRM. Selecting the correct module is important because each module can have its own set of pipelines. Now let's create a new pipeline. On the Pipelines and Stages page, click the button that says Create New Pipeline. A form will appear where you can enter details about this new pipeline. Start by giving your pipeline a clear, descriptive name so your team will immediately understand when to use it. For example, you might name pipelines by product line, region, or sales process type. Next, select the layout you want this pipeline to use. The layout controls which fields appear on your records, so pick the one that best fits this pipeline's workflow. Once you've named the pipeline and selected the layout, click Next to move on. Now you'll manage the stages of your pipeline. Click Add Stages to open the stage selection panel. Here, you can check or uncheck the stages you want to include in this particular pipeline. Only keep the stages that actually match this process so your reports and forecasts stay accurate. You can then drag and drop the stages to reorder them, arranging them in the exact sequence your deals typically follow. For each stage, enter a probability percentage. This should reflect the likelihood of closing a deal at that stage, which will help make your revenue forecasts more realistic. Once you're happy with the stages, their order, and their probabilities, click Done. Finally, you'll assign access and save your pipeline. Choose which profiles should have access to this pipeline. Profiles control what different user groups can see and do, so make sure you assign it only to the people or teams who actually need it. When everything looks correct, click Save. That's it. You've created a new pipeline in Zoho CRM, ready for your team to use alongside your existing workflows.